Okay, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap video where I made around $0 today. This is the second time I dropped my mic. No worries. Okay, so let's come back to today's bias. We had taken out Asian lows and we were just, we were bearish for the whole day today, even in the external trading hours as well. As you can see, this is where Asian market started. Okay, so we were moving bearish for since when the Asian session started, and as you can see here, lower lows and lower lows. So we had our Asia highs right here, London highs right here. We took out Asia lows, and London lows were this. So uh, ideally, I think we should have made reversal in New York, but when the New York market opened, we are just seeing bearish move to the downside, like 40 points on ES, and I guess 250 points on Nasdaq. So I didn't get any setup to trade today. I thought I'll just after following each and every confluence, I'll can see the moves to the upside, but I think now it is not the point to go longs because these highs are pretty far enough. Okay, and if the market wants to move to the upside, it needs to come down, sweep out these lows, 4 hour and 1 hour liquidity, and then the market can move to the upside. This is what I think, and I think the market is slow right now. It's already been 1 hour 15 minutes into the market open. So let's see tomorrow what we can get. And to be honest, I have uh, to be honest, I made an entry right here after this break of structure, but I thought that let's just exit from the trade because I was not having a great feeling about this trade, but here it is. Easy 1:2. This is what I think. I make mistakes every single time. I thought I'll just trade the, what do you call it, retrace, because I have not traded retraces very much, so I don't know how to trade it exactly. That is why I was not sure in this. Okay, we took out these 5 minute highs, which is a good thing. And if we create an SMT, then we could just short right here. But actually, I'm done. I think the market will move to the sideways right now. After this, the market will start moving to the sideways. Even though I entered, but I exited from the market because I don't want to make unnecessary loss. Because if I have made a loss in this one, that would be the mistake repeated today also. So it's okay, no worries. I will get 100 setups, no worries. Tomorrow I can trade. Day after tomorrow I can trade. The markets are always going to be there 24/7, and I can get 100 setups. Okay, if not today, then maybe tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then maybe day after tomorrow. So no need to worry about it. Let's see how it's going to be. I guess. Okay, we pushed both of these, took out both of these 5 minute highs, and if it's a good equilibrium, which is, then I guess after a break of structure to the downside, we can take some good trades. We can take some good shots. So let's see. I will surely work on how to take these retraces, and I will work on these retraces so that in future, if the setup is good, if I am confident enough, then I can just uh, trade in the opposite direction. But ideally, you should not. So if you like this video, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will guys see you around tomorrow, or maybe when I find a perfect setup in the next video. Take care and safe trade.